Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Please raise your hands. Hello. Have a nice New Year. So New Year is just something you celebrate when Earth turns around the sun. Morning. Happy New Year. Vale, y esto es lo que pasa todos los días cuando te pones a dar clase. Empieza y te llaman, un anuncio, llega uno, están hablando, en fin. Please, the phone in the back, in the Batman. Please, put the phone in the Batman. Please, silence. Okay, first thing of the day, a video to motivate myself, okay? I don't know if you're motivated or not, but I need to motivate myself a little.
Look in the mirror and you'll know.
It's too late for me. But not for you. This is your chance. The chance to earn that look in your daughter's eyes. To become the hero that she already thinks you are. It's not about saving our world. It's about saving theirs.
Look into your own eyes and tell me you are not heroic. That you have not endured or suffered or lost the things you care about most.
Keep an eye out for me, okay?
Whatever comes our way, whatever battle we have raging inside us, we always have a choice.
Anybody?
My friend Harry taught me that. He chose to be the best of himself. It's the choices that make us who we are. And we can always choose to do what's right.
Ricky's my friend. So is mine.
My name is Tony Stark, and I'm not afraid of you. I know you're a coward. So I've decided that you just died, pal. I'm gonna come get the body. There's no politics here, just good old-fashioned revenge. There's no Pentagon, it's just you and me.
Everything that happens now is in your hands.
Because a hero isn't someone who lives above us, keeping us safe. A hero is not a god or an idea. A hero lives here, on the street, among us, with us.
Together.
Always here, but rarely recognized. Look in the mirror and see yourself for what you truly are. What is it to be?
Okay, take your notebooks, your pen, you have to copy a little, okay? You got some slides about the new unit, that is the concept of mole. It's very easy to grab, it's just like a dozen. First you gotta copy some slides, just to get to know the concept, okay? This man lived in the 17th, 18th century. Avogrado, he was a chemist when nobody was a chemist. There were some people who claimed to be chemists, but they were like, do you know what is the philosopher's stone? Like the Harry Potter book? It's a stone that converts into gold everything he touches. So everybody wanted to be rich, and they searched for the philosopher's stone. And they were not using science. They were just searching and proving many things, and they were not successful. This was the first man who used science and invented chemistry. Okay? And he looked at things in a very new way, that was the scientific way. Okay? And discovered things that we're using right now to live and to be happy. That's the thing. Okay, so put the name, write the name of the unit, 8 mole, and first thing we're gonna see is Avogadro's number. Class rules, I don't have to review that to yourself because you are all so kind, so good. What we're gonna see today, and that's Avogadro's number. You have to learn it by heart, and it's very easy. Because 6 is the number of the devil. You divide it by 3, you get 2, and 23 is the number of Michael Jordan. Okay? So it's not very hard to grab. Okay? This is the number of molecules in a mole of any substance. Okay? I know that a mole of water is 18 grains, so I'm gonna try to get, wow. This is approximately a mole of water, okay? And I'm gonna count how many molecules are in here. I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, 6 trillions. No, 600,000 trillions of molecules here. How can I count so fast? Morning. What's that? Yeah. What's the thing about Avogadro's number? As molecules are so tiny, you to have something you can count, you can look at, you have to take a lot of molecules, okay? That number is huge. I'm gonna try and write it. 6, and now 2, and 21 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's the number of molecules in a mole, okay? I'm gonna try and count it. This is a million. In Europe, we call this a billion. You call this a billion. Here, this a billion. And how we count it in Europe, we have trillions. So in one mole, you have 600,000 trillions of molecules, okay? You have to take that number by heart. Did you copy this? Yeah? And we're gonna use it in the first part of the class as a conversion factor, to know how many molecules are there in a mole of a substance, okay? One mole is 6.02 by 10 to the power of 23, and we're gonna use that as a conversion factor. Just think about how complex you are, that you have quadrillions of atoms in your body, and it's perfectly fit to make one of you. It's not simple at all. So you should think you're wonderful. You're wonderful. What? There. Eat, drink, sleep, run, and other thing I cannot tell you. No, I cannot tell you because I don't know the word in English for let's see the Spanish people here. How did you call ¿Sabéis lo que son los mantecados y polvorones? Ni idea, ¿no? Yeah? How do you say it in English? I don't know. Just eating? No. I don't know how to say it in English. Just like, it's not a cake, it's just like heaven in your mouth. Yeah, yeah, more or less. When you go abroad, I don't know if you were abroad, and you get back to home, you have to see a lot of people. So we were like partying and meeting everybody. Your cousin, your brother, your wherever, your mother, your father, your friend, my friends, school. All 14 days like that. No stop. Wine, beer, and I'm recording this. It's okay. You copy that? Can I go on? Today we're gonna do that, just these two things, okay? You have paper? No? You need paper? Should bring your notebook. Oh! Thank you. Phone in the backpack. The phone in the backpack. We're going to see today two types of problems, which how many molecules in an amount of moles. That is easy to do. Have you ever seen conversion factors or not? Conversion factors. If you want to turn moles into molecules, you multiply by the molecules in a mole and divide by 1. Okay, so the only thing you have to do here is to multiply this number by this number. You don't need this number because you can put it here at the end and that's all, okay? So if you multiply 0.25 by 6, you get approximately 1.5 and then you put the 10 to the power of 23, okay? And that's all you gotta do. It's easy, okay? Because I don't know if yourselves have a calculator that can make scientific numbers. Do you have it or not? You don't have it? You can download an app with a scientific calculator, but with your normal calculator, you can do this by this, okay? And then add this, and that's all you gotta do. Do you have any one of you have a calculator here? No? Yeah, but that's the normal calculator. Show me. Yeah. That is mine calculator there. This calculator, you have a number here to do those kind of calculations, so you can write 0.25 by 1, 6.02 to the power of 23. If you don't have it, you can do it with yourself. Take yourselves out. Can I go on? Let's say yes. Can I go on? And this is the inverse problem. You got molecules and you have to convert it to moles. So you got here 1.5 by 10 to the power of 23 molecules. And you put the 1 mole up and the molecules down so they simplify. Okay? So you have to divide. You have to divide this number by this number. And this 10 to the power of 23 with this, they cancel. Okay? And you don't have to worry about them. Okay, let's do it.